It just wouldn't be seized without a prototype product from Razer, and this time around the company is showcasing Project Linda, an Android laptop, phone hybrid. Project Linda is essentially a 13.3-inch laptop shell with a dock for the Razer phone. The phone plops into the base of the chassis and powers the experience and acts as the trackpad or secondary display. Android power users and laptop enthusiasts share a need for performance in a mobile form factor, which we provide with our award-winning Razer Phone and Razer laptops, Razer co-founder and CEO Min-Liang Tan said. Project Linda combines the best of both worlds, bringing a larger screen and physical keyboard to the Android environment, enhancing the experience for gaming and productivity. The physical design of the laptop is similar to the Blade Stealth in that it sports a unibody CNC aluminum chassis. Its waistline measures just 0.59 inches, 15 millimeters, and its weight checks in at less than 3 pounds, 1.25 kilograms.